Welcome back everybody, John here. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the highly anticipated and just released DJI wireless mic. That's what we have in this box. When I was looking at wireless mics, I was in between the Rode Wireless because that's pretty much the top of the line, and then I saw that DJI was coming with their own mic, so I decided to go ahead and see, basically all the information from the DJI wireless website, as well as all the other reviews that I found on YouTube and other gadget and technology websites. And I decided to go with the DJI wireless mic. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing. And just like any other YouTuber out there, I'm gonna go ahead and just be very dramatic. We're gonna go ahead and open up our knife here. Let's go ahead and open this up. And here we have it. So what comes in the box? In the box, when you order it from DJI MIC, so what I did was I put myself in the waiting list before it was released, so I will be one of the first ones to get it. So basically what you get here is going to be your order number, your DJI online store service guide. So we'll go ahead and put this here to the side. Here is what we have been waiting for. Let's see if there's anything else here. And this is all just going to be basically just packing paper. So let's go ahead and put our box here. So here you have it. So as you can see, this is going to be the packaging that it comes in. As you can see, you're going to see exactly the product that comes inside. On the side of the box, you're going to be able to see that it shows you basically the different applications that you're going to get. And in the back, you're going to be able to see basically just additional information that you're going to, that you're going to be able to see if you were to done a little bit of research. So let's go ahead and just open it up. So it's going to be nicely package here. Is going to have like that shrink wrap. So let's go ahead and just be very gentle. So here we have it. Let's go ahead and pull this out. All right, so we'll put that there. So here we have the box. Let's go ahead now and just there's going to come a little seal. Let's go ahead and just cut the seal here. Now that we have it, let's go ahead and open it up. So as you see, here it is. Let's go ahead and open it up. So let's go ahead and open the first box that we have here. So in the box that first comes with your DJI wireless kit, you're gonna see here's gonna be your receiver. That's gonna be your charging box. In the first box that comes in your packaging, you're gonna see that it's gonna have basically your, just like a bag that you're gonna be able to store your charging case along with your transmitters and receivers. You're gonna get a wind blocker, so there's gonna be two of them. So here we have, that's one. There's gonna be another one here. You're gonna be able to see that you're gonna get a 3.5 TRS cable. This is gonna be what connects from your receiver to either your iPhone or your camera. So this is it. Then you're gonna be able to see that you get a Usbc. This is gonna be for your charging. Let's see what else we have in here. So one neat thing about it is they also put your instructions and your manual, so you're going to be able to see that's going to be here as well in your packaging. So now that we have this here, let's go ahead and check this out. So that's all that comes in the box. So you get your bag, you get your wind blockers, you get your 3.5 TRS audio jack, you get your USB-C cable for charging of your case. Let's go ahead now and open up the case. So it comes in this little plastic, so let's go ahead and pull this here. I gotta tell you, it feels very good. I love the way they did this texture. It almost looks like a carbon fiber texture. So let's go ahead and open it up. Before we do that, back here you're going to be able to see that you have your USB-C charging port. So your USB-C cable will basically connect here, and then you can either plug it to your computer or to your, either to your Apple or your Android device. One thing that I've noticed is that a lot of the manufacturers now, they are actually saving money by not sending you a butt connects to the wall, you know, for the outlet. So they automatically assume that you're gonna go ahead and have one or just buy one offhand. So we're gonna open it up. You're gonna be able to see. So here is everything. As you can see, once you open it up, it automatically lights up. So we're gonna be able to see the receivers here. So right now, if we look at the charging case, you're gonna be able to see there's gonna be 4 lights. As of right now, we only have 3. That means that the actual case comes charged from the factory DJI at 75%. So we'll put this to charge a little bit later, just so you know we have it fully charged. So let's go ahead and open it up. So the good thing is, I don't know if you're able to see it on camera, it shows you right there. So it's gonna show you the level battery of your 3 devices. So the middle one, you're gonna be able to see that that's gonna be the charging of your receiver here. Then you're gonna have your 3 transmitters on the left and the right side. As you can see right now, it's letting you know that it's about quarter of the way charged. So let's go ahead and pull it out just to see what it looks like. So once we pull this out, I gotta say, it's very soft and actually has like a magnet at the bottom to help it like kind of like go in. So I don't know if you're able to hear it. So once it does that, it actually sticks in place. So there's one receiver here. I'm sorry, this is gonna be one of the transmitters. So you have one, you have your other transmitter here. Then you are able to pull out, this is gonna be what you're gonna have in place, you know, whether you're gonna be using your GoPro, the action camera from DJI, or any of the other cameras. So here's gonna be the receiver. So here you have, so we'll put it right here just so you guys can see it. And right over here, you're gonna have a hot shoe receiver. So the way this is gonna work is, you're gonna put this on your receiver here, and then this is gonna be able to connect to the hot shoe connector on your camera device. So let's go ahead and now pull out what we have here. So we have, wow, this is hard to pull out. All right, let's do this again. It's actually, there we go. So you actually have to kind of wiggle it left and right so to be able to get it. So this one over here is gonna be your USB-C connector. So this is gonna be more for like your Android if you happen to have one. And then when we come over here on the other side, we have the one that's going to be for your Apple device. So the way it's going to work basically, so we will have our device here. So let's go ahead and put it on just so I can actually show you. So we'll put it here in place. So if you look, you're going to have those things at the bottom. I'm not really sure of the technical name of that, but so let's go ahead and put it. So, and it actually has a little arrow there that shows you the way you should put it in. So here's my lightning cable, not lightning cable. This is going to be my connector for my Apple device. You will go ahead and just put it in here. It's actually going to connect in place. As you can see, it's going to sit flush right here. So we'll put it, and there you have it. So you'll be able to basically, if you wanted to, you could use your, you know, your Apple device or your Android device or any other phone that you have that uses the USB-C lightning cable. You're gonna be able to use it for your transmitter. So basically, you're just gonna go ahead and open it up and use it as your you know, receiver, or for recording, whatever you want to call it. So basically, you pull it out the same way it came in. So you push it back. So let's see. Here it is. As you can see, it's extremely tight in there. So we'll put it in here, and there you have it. So let me go ahead and just show you guys a little bit more. So here we have this is going to be the wind blocker. So the way it works is, down here you're going to be able to see that's going to be your microphone. So you're going to be able to go ahead and twist it, and it locks in place. So this is going to be great if you're going to be outdoors, if you're going to be recording in any type of, like, you know, like a riding like a motorcycle, or perhaps like a bicycle. This is going to be great because this is going to be able to block a lot of that wind that's going to be coming through. So you basically take it off the same way you put it in. You unscrew it the opposite way, it comes off. Let's go ahead and put it here. One neat feature about it is going to be that you have the ability to either use this as a clipper for your clothing. So for example, we could go ahead and just do it like that if you wanted to, or if you want to be a little bit more discreet, what you can do is you can put this in the back. So let's put it like this, And there we have it. We have the actual microphone right here. The only thing you're gonna be able to see is what, it's gonna be like this little magnet tile-like, and you won't be able to actually see the actual microphone itself. So another neat feature about the DJI mic is gonna be the fact that you're able to connect a microphone. So the way it's going to work is you will basically connect, just like what we have here. We have our microphone. You will basically connect it here, and you will be able to put this like in your pocket or somewhere, somewhere where it's not going to be seen, and then you're going to be able to use it with your lavalier microphone. So that's another neat feature that that comes with your DJI mic. So one neat feature about it, and I was doing a little bit more research and reading while I was, before I bought it, was it gives you up to 250 meters of reception. The more reading I did and the more research I did, that's going to be 250 meters in completely unobstructed area. So if it's a complete area, think about football field, you're going to be able to record up to 2.5 football fields lengthwise as far as recording go. Now, I wouldn't anticipate that in real world conditions, just because if this is going to be more than likely used, probably for hiking. It's probably going to be used for, in my case, I'm going to use it for vlogging. I'm going to use it in motorcycle events and rallies, so I wouldn't be doing that. But I don't see myself being able to do that in a highly congested, very high traffic, a lot of crowd area. So another great thing is, so the charging case is going to provide you with up to 15 hours of charging. So off the box, so they're always going to charge right here in the charging case with your USB-C lightning cable, and they're going to come right off the box. You're going to be able to get 5.5 hours from your transmitter, which is going to be your mic, and then you're going to get 5 hours from your receiver. So you get 5 hours, and you get 5.5 hours from your transmitters. You're going to be able to get up to 14 hours of playtime from your DJI mics here. Again, another great feature. I have to say that was one of the things I was impressed, because it has a built-in memory already. So it's a built-in memory, and it's going to be extremely simple to use. So right on the side, you're going to be able to see that's going to be your power button. And then we go on the other side, you're going to be able to say that it's going to show you record. So honestly, extremely easy to use, very simple, very basic, which is one of the things that I always look for when I'm getting a phone or any type of wireless device. The reason I didn't go with the Rode Wireless was, the Rode Wireless, you have to download an application to be able to use your microphones. That's not something that I was looking forward to do. So that's one of the reasons I went with DJI. I also like DJI products. I have a DJI Air 2S, and I have to say it works flawlessly, so I'm expecting nothing less out of this device. So here we have it, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing an actual audio testing with this device. I'm going to be doing some like long distance. I have like some little GoPros. If you follow my channel, I do motorcycles and basically like anything automotive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using the wind protectors here. I'm going to be using the mics just to see how they do with actually riding my motorcycle, riding a GoPed, perhaps even running, walking. And then we will also do like a distance test just to see how it actually behaves in real world conditions. So if you enjoy this type of content, just go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That way the algorithm knows it's good. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on my next video.